Mike Hughes here. I'm at Turquoise Bay Dive and Beach Resort. And Jesus, you want to tell us a little bit about the operation here?
Yes, hello everyone. Yeah, we're all the way here from Roatan. We're inviting you to come to Turquoise Bay. We're a 26 resort room on the east side of the island, which is the more or less popular, if we want to put it that way, but it's the most beautiful, more secluded, beautiful side of the island. It's still very green, lush, not many development on that area. Our resort is, in the middle of nice vegetation. We got exclusive sites. We're the only shop on that area so those sites, we put in the mooring lines. We're the only ones doing those sites. That's one of the advantages of diving with us. And then the resort, like I said, 26 rooms, standard hotel rooms with all the, all the amenities you need to be comfortable: AC, hot water, either a king or a two full beds, balcony. And we are all inclusive dive resort, so we do 3 meals a day plus an afternoon snack. We do buffets, and then we serve local beer, cocktails, and house liquor.
Okay.
Then regarding the dive operation, we have it's 2-3 minutes away from walking from the rooms. We can hold up to 60-70 divers. We have 7 boats.
Wow, 7 boats.
Yeah, so we could easily, have a full. We could easily sell a full resort and just cater to big groups, 50,
One
60
company.
people. Exactly. So.
And then you have something else to offer there too. The coral restoration program.
Yeah, we have several years offering the coral restoration. Right, we have a person that takes, full care of them, does the cleaning, the outplant, and we involve our guests. Our guests can do either a course, specialty, or they could just do fun dives and then help do the cleaning or the outplant, or even building these little trees.
Right.
Yeah. Our dive master program, they're the ones that take care of it on a daily basis, but our guests love to be part of it.
Oh yeah, I can see why.
Yep.
And if they want more information about Turquoise Bay, they would go to?
Yeah, you could check our website, turquoisebayresort.com.
turquoisebayresort.com. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.